Okay, straight pull lovers, we're back at it again. This is the 15th episode. We're attacking a 30-degree angle, bottom of the bottom ball. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, keeping up with the study. The tangent of the cue ball is going into the bottom side of the one ball, so that way on the one. Since I'm using the 5 ball, I'm going to set up a half ball hit again. So since I'm hitting the bottom part of the one, I'm going to want to use a stud draw stroke. Medium stroke, I don't have to hit this full speed anymore. Okay guys, on this break shot, you're hitting the 1 ball, which has a nice line that goes through the 6 and goes through the 4 ball. Those 2 balls will have the most energy. Luckily I have a good shot in the 13, so I wanted to resort to the 4. That's a little conservative, but I have a lot of options now. I have the 4 ball, the 1 ball, the 13 ball. Sometimes when I hit it a little firmer, all this will open up, but somehow I don't get a shot. It's almost as if pull gods are saying, you know, stop trying to make it easy. But as it stands now, I can play the 13, 9, and I can use the 1 to open them up some more. Or I could try to get on the 8 and maybe get rid of the 2. I like 13-9 playing position for the 1. So I want to get pretty full on this 9 ball. Okay guys, I just noticed that the 12-14 is wired. I saw that while I was on the other side. This is really good because now I can use the 12-14 and really if I get anywhere around here, I can use the 12-14 and open everything up in one swing. So I'm going to try to go a little wider than the 1. I prefer to use the 12-14. This is good. So I'll play the 14 ball. Guys, it looks like it's going just a hair short. I'm tempted to go ahead and use the 1. So whenever I'm playing a combo, the risk reward is always considered. In this particular case, if I didn't have the 1 there, the 12-14 is a lot better. But if I cut the 12 at all to the left side, I'm going to push the 14 down to the rail because I'm basically aimed just outside the point. So I really need to attack this from almost the 1 position, like right here. So what I could do is I could play the 8 first, come back around, then use the 1. To get on the 14-12, I could play the 1, going to the 11-3 now, and I think that's the best play right now. Is just play the 1, go into the 2 and the 11, and see if I don't get a good result. I'm not guaranteed a shot here. This is not with guaranteed insurance, but it's good for where I am. Although I was a little nervous, I managed to come with a couple shots. 12-14 is now not on. 3 ball gets in the way, so it is no longer on, so I'll have to alleviate that problem. 15 goes by the 6, so that's good. Let's play the 7, play position on the 15. Now, if I hit the 14, it comes out for a break shot. I would love to do that. I'm going to play the 6 first. I'm going to play the 6, then the 15. and play the 10 and go into the 14 ball. Now if I hit the 14, I should hit the 3 as well, get a shot in the 11. If I hit the 14 on the other side, I have the 4 ball up table, so I'm not going to slaughter this. I'll have a tough shot in the 4 if I don't get the 11 or the 2, but I feel like the right play here is to just hit this with a medium soft stroke, try to develop maybe a break shot. Okay, so got a good roll with the 14 going where I wanted. My main problem ball is the 4 ball. The 3 leads nicely to the 12. I'm going to try to land almost straight on the 4, close to straight, a little far away, but let's try to get pretty straight on the 4. If I don't like it, I had the 2. Right. Now if I can play this and get on the 8 ball, then I can do the 8, 2, 3, 12, 14. I just want to make sure I get above the 2 ball. So I'm going to the rail and back out. Got to cross the 3. Just go 1 rail up. Natural position on the 3. And I'm going to draw back a little bit. I'd like to be a little more in the middle for this particular break shot. This is a personal preference. Some guys like a little more angle. I like to be pretty thick on this. And I'm still getting quite a bit of angle if I get to the center. Good.
Hey guys, thanks for watching episode 15. I hope you had a good time. I know this was a little more challenging than some of the other racks, so I had to speed up a couple areas because I was thinking quite a bit. But there were some good scenarios and some different opportunities to figure out new ways to run out this rack. I hope you guys had a good time if you practice this at home. I did notice a commentary match with the Fillers. They did some Scotch double straight pull. If you guys get a chance, check that out. That's a lot of fun. But guys, have a great evening or night, and I'll see you at the next angle.